My name is Marcus Hall, and I'm an over-the-road driver here at Hirschbach. When I first come here, they asked me, they was looking for some dedicated people. 24 years later, I'm still here for the long run. Oh man, they treat you like family over here. The pay is good. The equipment, we have some of the best equipment out there too, so. And they treat you like somebody, just not a number, Everyone that comes up to me know who I am, and I know who they are. That makes me feel good, For anybody that's looking for a job, come over here at Hirschbach. Yeah. Been here for 24 years. That should say enough right there, One of my main experiences, that my dispatcher, it's just the wonderful relationship we have. It's just not that she calls and say, hey, I need you to do this, I need you to do that. She calls and checks on me. That's a wonderful thing. To let me know that, hey, I'm just calling to check on you, see how you doing. The boss is all them. Great people. So give them a shot. That's all I can say. Okay, I'll get a camera shot.